Now, we'd like to study what is the classification in a contract. Many kinds of contract. Number one, void or inexistent contract. Void contract means from the beginning, not valid. Okay? Void contract means from the beginning, it is not valid. Okay, example. Kita ada contract. Mr. Ramos, sign contract. What is the object? You kill the president. Why? This is against the law. This is a void contract, inexistent contract. Why? Because the object is against the law. So if you give money or have a contract to somebody to kill somebody, no contract. Even you sign, even you pay money in the other contract, no valid. The court will say, no contract. Sorry, you go to jail. Example. Another thing, we have contract, but make sure you marry my daughter. Right? But your daughter does not want to marry you. Not valid contract. Okay? What is rescissible contract? You sign rescissible contract means contract that we can change. Okay? Contracts, it is valid, but we can change. Example. You want to marry me, and then after that, later on, you don't want to marry me, then there is no contract, then we can have another contract, meaning you are not married to me anymore. Meaning, rescissible contracts can be changed because there is a mistake, maybe. Right? Rescissible means can be changed. Voidable means today is valid, but when when the lawyer says or the court says not valid, it's not valid. Voidable means it is valid now, but can be not valid later. Example, this contract, you will get this property if you do not marry before 18. Right? So what would happen? Avoidable contracts means, okay, you marry before 18, right? So the contract no more. It is not valid anymore. Voidable means valid from the beginning, but later cannot be valid if you see some defect. Unenforceable contract means can be done, but cannot make use. Example, you sign a contract, salary 4,100, right? Any contract valid. But then, unenforceable means you cannot use it. Why? Because maybe later you see you cannot go to Hong Kong anymore, right? You cannot go to Hong Kong because you decide to get married. So this contract unenforceable, cannot be used, right? Because there is a change in the consent or in the object. So this contract is void, not valid from the beginning. Rescissible means can be changed. Next is voidable contracts means can be valid now but can change later. And then this one, there is a contract but we cannot use it. So this is just the 4 kinds of contracts. Okay? Any other questions? Now these are what will come out in the test. What is a contract? What are the elements of a contract? What are the characteristics of a contract? What is the classification of a contract? Okay? I'll see you again. Thank you very much for your time.